Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at National on a Friday evening, Toronto International Airport. We'll check out the cars here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, click that like button, and we'll just get started here. And in Premier Selection, there was a Mercedes SUV that just rolled out, and we also have a BMW and a Mercedes sedan beside a Malibu that these folks are doing. All right, continuing on the executive aisle, we got an Edge. Actually, this is one of this. I think this is a newer Hyundai. Let's take a quick peek at this here. What do we got here? Oh yeah, this is the new Tucson. Oh, I bet you this is brand new. Looking at anything that starts with a CW or CV is probably pretty new on the license plates. 300. There you go. 300, pretty much brand new. We got a Ford Explorer. They've got so many cars here. They're running out of parking spaces. You can probably see this coming up here. Not sure where they're going to put that. Some of these cars are coming around again here. But just to give you a comparison, how many cars Avis and everybody else has here. Yeah, I guess this Explorer is going into the aisle. Probably nowhere else to park it. The Limited, but just so you can see, tons of cars here, guys. Like if you show up on a Friday evening, tons of cars in the overflow. And then if we just kind of take a quick tour over here to Enterprise. Oh boy, there's so many coming in here. There's a red Mustang EcoBoost Coupe, price of $300. Range Rover, these are the Enterprise upgrades. Price of $300. Dodge Charger. BMW, a Bronco. And what else we got here? We got a Ford Edge, we got a Jaguar. A couple more SUVs. And then, I'm not sure if this Enterprise returns or overflow. I have a feeling this is more overflow. Man, they got so many cars here. Great to see. Absolutely great to see. Okay, let's just take a look at the Emerald Isle over here. National. We got a Camry, we got a Civic. One of these smaller Honda SUVs. A couple Kitas, Hyundai. And again, this is just the regular Emerald Club aisle. Oh, got a 300 in the Emerald Club aisle with the sunroof. Very nice. Malibu. Got a Mitsubishi SUV, another Malibu. Kia. We got a Sonata. And another Kia here. RAV4, Camry, VW, and another Malibu at the end. I thought they stopped making these Malibus. Got new plates on it though. Yeah, maybe that could be. Yeah, I guess they're still making them. What else we got here? We got GMC. Now we're getting into the executive aisle side of things here. Mitsubishi SUV. Still got a few of these Ford Fusion hybrids around. Got a lot of miles on it. We got a Corolla, Hyundai, a couple Hyundais here. Lots of Malibus today. We got a Camry, Corolla, Sonata, a couple more mid-size sedans here. We got another Sonata, actually quite a few Sonatas. Got a Chevy coming in here. And it's pretty rare to see a Wrangler in the aisle here. And then just going down a little further, we got a couple Escapes, a couple Camrys, and it looks like a Ford Edge down at the end there. Okay, if we continue on with Enterprise, we got a VW, a couple of VWs here. Another Civic, Camry, VW. I think these are Elantras, these Hyundais. Chevy Equinox, Explorer, a VW, smaller Buick SUV, Ford Edge, Escape, Kia. We got a couple of smaller pickup trucks down here. Oh, I should be filming the other way. Sorry about that. The lighting's kind of coming in here. And they got a couple of the larger SUVs, but most of them are over kind of by the National Alamo side. Here you can see there's cars everywhere, right? And we'll just go down the other side of the Enterprise aisle here. And we'll try and give you a quick peek at pretty much everything here. Yeah, I got another Chrysler 300 coming in. Trying not to get run over. Okay, that's it for the Enterprise section. Let's go over to another section. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Alamo specialty here. We got one of these Polestar, just the regular edition. We got a Hyundai, a couple Kias, Mazda. There's another Polestar down at the end. Sorry, everybody's just lining up to come out of here. Busy weekend. Another Polestar was at the end down there. We got a Durango Hemi, Mitsubishi, we got a Ford Escape, another Polestar here. Got a Rubicon. And, alright, and then we got a Grand Cherokee, and then there are a ton of reserve cars just kind of crammed in here, like big SUVs, everything is. Let me just go around the corner, you can kind of see it here. And we got a Aviator here, Ford Edge, lots of Wranglers, minivans, oh boy. Yeah, there's shortage of parking spots, but it's great to see all these vehicles here. Imagine probably a lot of these going out, oh boy, excuse me, a little bit later. All right, so I think that's probably going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe. Want to see more of these? Click that like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.